Hi guys, it's Colette, and I decided to revisit this crisscross idea with some rainbow colors from finger paints. If you like nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean, dry nails, I'm going to begin with the base coat. I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base. And you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'm going to be using today are all from finger paints. These are some of my favorites. I've used them before. We have Be My Baby, which is the pink. We have Aloha, which is the orange. Hula Aruba is the yellow. Margarita Mambo is the green. Surf's Up is the blue, and finally the purple is Wild Bikini. And for my base color, I'm going to be using Orly White Tips. Once I get that applied, I'm going to use Orly's matte top coat to add a couple of little guide dots like I did last time. When I was doing my testing yesterday, I actually was using quite a lot of little guide marks when I was working in my polished sketchbook. But because the matte top coat is not like completely transparent, it does have like a slightly yellow cast to it that I'm not sure is even showing up on camera. Decided to go with just a couple marks to kind of keep track of where I am. I've got one right in the middle on each side, and kind of even spacing on the corners. And there's a little tiny hair on there. And I'm hoping it'll still pretty much blend into the finished design when I'm done. I'm going to begin with the pink, if I can get it open here. There we go. And like last time, I'm going to be doing all of each color before moving on to the next color. And instead of like in the ILNP crisscross, I kind of started at the bottom with crosses. In this one, I'm going to start at the sides. And I'm just going to get, I guess that's not on camera. There we go. Going to get a little bit of the pink here. And then I'm going to start from that side center mark up to that top corner center mark, and whoa, then again from the bottom to that side, like so. Can touch them up a little bit if there's any place that's not got enough color for you. And I'm going to repeat that on all my nails, and then move on to the next color. Finally, I'm going to be finishing with the top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and although I'm not 100% happy with it, I am very, very pleased. Last week's did grow on me the longer I wore it, but because it wasn't what I initially envisioned, I could never fully enjoy it. I feel like this is a lot closer to what I had in my head. Partly because the colors are actually clearly rainbow colors, and I think that also makes it a little bit more forgiving as far as places where you can't necessarily see the base color underneath. But I also feel like I was able to keep this design a little bit more even. That's definitely one of the challenges because all your nails are going to be slightly different lengths in some cases, and of course slightly different widths. I mean, from pinkies to thumbnails, that's going to be quite a difference. So you can't do exactly the same thing on every nail. If you'd like to check out yesterday's testing stream, which was all rainbow stuff, including the testing for this design, that will be up tomorrow. Of course, I'd love to hear what you think down in the comments. I do hope that you all enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.